Good, good, good. Very happy. Now, Shweta ji, you are from which place?
I am from Mumbai, sir.
Acha, good. What is the degree you studied, Shweta ji?
So I joined Government Law College, Mumbai, and
Hmm.
completed my BLS LLB degree in 2016. Thereafter,
2000.
I enrolled.
Yeah.
Yes.
After what you are doing?
After that, I have been practicing. I had joined a law firm in
Hmm.
2018,
Hmm.
and I practiced there full time for 3 years.
Hmm.
Thereafter, I started on my own.
Acha, now you are a lawyer of your own.
Yes, sir. Independent.
Independent. Acha. What type of cases are you handling?
I am currently handling consumer disputes matter, um,
Hmm.
particularly property disputes
Hmm.
and um, some NCLT matters as well,
Hmm.
and
What
arbitration.
what matter?
Commercial
NCR.
legal.
Huh?
NCLT, corporate commercial disputes.
Acha, acha.
Um, yes,
Oh, very good. But
insolvency matters.
then why do you want to now come here? You must have established a good practice whereby you must be getting very good salary now by from the people. आप अभी
I
उसको
am,
छोड़ के इधर क्यों आना चाहते हैं? What is your husband doing?
no, I'm not married, sir.
What is your age?
I'm 31.
31. That's right. What is your father?
My father, he is a retired government employee.
Acha,
He was serving in state government. Yes,
very good. What about your mother?
she has been a homemaker, and
How
my
many
sister,
siblings you have? Uh,
one sister. She's pursuing LLM right now.
acha. You are staying in Mumbai. Which place of Mumbai?
Navi Mumbai, near Nerul,
And you are in own house or rented house?
own house.
आई नो आजकल शादी करने में तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है
Mhm.
ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए एंड
Mhm.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग पीपल
No,
आल्सो
actually I was waiting for getting a government job. That is
ओ
why I delayed.
यू
Yes.
हैव बीन पोस्टपोनिंग गुड एक्सेलेंट
Yes.
नाउ कैन यू टेल मी about what is part 3 and part 4 of Indian Constitution?
Part 3 deals with fundamental rights, and Part 4 enshrines directive principles of state policy. Part 3 starts from Article 12 and up to Article 36, 35, and thereafter 36 to 51 are the directive principles of state policy.
Now, can you please tell me, brief me about what is going to happen from 1st July? It seems some criminal procedure codes and all are getting changed. I think the
Yes,
name
sir.
name is also being given new names. What is that?
Yes,
First
sir.
one, uh, IPC is going to be called as what?
Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita and
Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita.
Samhita. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one, that is the evidence code, evidence act.
Evidence Act is Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam.
Sakshiya
Saksha Adhiniyam.
Abhinayam.
Adhiniyam.
Spelling A ओ
Adhiniyam.
अधिनयम का क्या मीनिंग है?
Niyam. Adhiniyam is act.
कोड कोड और एक्ट.
Act. Act, sir.
अच्छा बीच में और
Samhita is a code.
अच्छा अच्छा बीच में कुछ आता है ना बीच
Uh,
में वन मोर एक्ट
Criminal
यस्टरडे.
Procedure Code.
हाँ वो क्या है
That
उसको?
is a Bharatiya. Uh, sorry.
CPC I think कुछ नया they have
CPC.
made
Yes,
lot
sir.
of changes in that also. They will ask you What is the new name of
Yes.
the acts? What are the changes that have come about in this?
Uh,
Yeah, बोलिए.
नागरिक सुरक्षा सर, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता.
Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. For you, mostly
संहिता.
this will be the question. So you please prepare about the recent changes in these two. And it seems section 420 is now becoming section 316, something like that. पहले पहला कम अभी हम लोग किसी को 420 ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. अभी उसको तो 316 हो गया. डजंट मैटर. उसका बारे में डीपली आप पढ़ लीजिए. अभी हम
ओके
आपको
सर.
प्रैक्टिकल लॉयर एक्सपीरियंस को आएगा. Please tell me about successes you have had during the last probably 6 or 7 years you have been doing practice. Tell me
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 successes.
Six success. All right, so I'll begin with at least one that I remember. Um, so there was this very interesting matter where an execution application was filed by award holder. This award was an international arbitration award, and in this, despite the award being granted in 2011, there were uh, complications in the matter due to the convoluted facts of circumstances of matter. It couldn't be executed. So um, one of the assets of the award debtor was the coal which was imported in 2011, and the coal was lying at three different ports of India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Andhra. And with each day, the coal value was deteriorating. And SBI being one of the major creditor, it had to intervene and had asked for the coal to be auctioned off and sold so that the value of it could be maximized. The assets had to be protected. And so we represented SBI, and the coal was auctioned off finally. And
Who bought it? Who bought it? Which company bought it? Roughly.
there was a company in Andhra. I don't remember the name right now, but that had placed the bid and
What are they
got it.
doing? Were they interested in say electricity?
Yes, yes, they were.
Yeah, very good. That's right. Next, second.
Second, I remember was this arbitration matter where
Hello.
hello.
Yeah, why
Yeah.
you are not speaking? Come on.
Yes, sir. Sorry. So there was a company who was in liquidation, and we were representing the liquidator. So
Hmm.
the company had dues. The company actually had a works contract with a state electricity company, and
Actually, Sweta,
yes, sir.
not
Yes,
that
sir.
I understand you are struggling. आपने ये सबको briefly prepare करके रखना है. Whether you like it or not, they are going to ask you about your achievements. जिस फील्ड में आपने अच्छा काम किया है, ये जरूर पूछने का उम्मीद है. इसलिए
Oh,
उस फील्ड का साथ में you prepare it in 1 minute. सब कुछ every point you must be able to cover within 1 minute.
in very short. All right,
They
sir.
are going to talk to you for 10 minutes only, and if you hesitate and speak up, they will form negative impression about you, because
Uh,
you may be a person having knowledge, but when you are not able to speak out um, openly, then that is as a lawyer, it is much more a negative point. So now tell me, what do you know about SURFACE Act?
So, SURFACE Act is one of the measures which banks are authorized to take when the debts become uh, when loan accounts become NPA. So without going to a formal court of law, they can take the matters in their hand and get symbolic possession of the collateral and uh, auction it off or sell it off.
Acha, have you not seen these questions? Have I given you these questions or not?
Yes, sir, you had given, but
I have already
I
given,
had
na?
very yes, yes.
ये क्यों पढ़ा नहीं आपने? Are you busy with regular work?
A little I was I did not get much time to go through in deeply. Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा. तो no, आपका which date is your interview?
So 3rd of July.
अरे बाबा 3rd of July तो आ गया जल्दी.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Your answer for SURFACE also is not satisfactory. SURFACE Act में आपने ये सब बताना है that the bank gets a right to go to the, I mean, recovery proceeds straight away by virtue of the mortgage taken. And Section 13(2) of SURFACE Act gives notice to be given for 60 days, something, something. Section 13(4) A sub, and then
13
possession
to
of the
13 to
property,
notice.
auction. ये सब आपने detail बताना है. Have you not watched my previous videos where a few candidates would have explained about this? Have you
I
come
have,
across
sir. I have.
my video IBPS law officers video?
Yeah, one or two I have watched, sir, but
One or two
I
kya
haven't.
baba? There are 46 videos. Law officer video
Yes, sir.
only 46 videos hai. इसको आप prepare करना है. I don't know what
Okay.
prevents you from studying, but आपको concentration on studies थोड़ा कम हो गया. मैंने you are not able to do it. I don't know why. कुछ family problem है?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. No, 1 minute. Let me ask you
I
some more questions to see how you are answering. Yeah. Please tell me about the recent Supreme Court decisions.
uh
Excuse me.
yes, sir. In which areas, sir?
Say in the civil area.
Um, Sorry, sir.
Civil
I'm not
area mein what
able
are
to
the recent?
recall right now.
No, no, actually, there are websites like India Qanun, something like that, from where you can get lot of ideas about what is happening in the Supreme
Okay.
Court. And there is one more India Legal. I came across a magazine also. I posted 2 3 days back in our newspapers. So likewise, when did you join our group?
So just yesterday.
Just yesterday. Oh, that is the reason why you are not able to answer me. Now, madam,
Mhm. Yes, sir.
um, can you tell me what do you know about DRT and its relevance to banking?
DRT is a specialized forum, specially for banks. It was made so that the procedure which banks have to go through in um, um, uh, realizing the assets, realizing the loans um, gets easier. And minimum limit of DRT is 20 lakh rupees.
Good, that is correct amount.
Yes,
DRT amount, minimum amount is 20 lakhs. So,
yes.
what is your experience? Have you attended some DRT proceedings?
No, sir. No, I haven't.
Acha, what are the courts you have attended?
I have attended National Company Law Tribunal Mumbai bench for
Hmm.
in insolvency matters,
Hmm.
and High Court
हाई कोर्ट में क्या
and
डील
City
किया?
Civil Court.
हाँ?
High Court, different kinds of matters, so civil matters only,
Hmm.
and mostly also RERA, real estate regulatory authority
अच्छा
matters.
अच्छा, रेरा. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's right. Can you tell me what is the difference between pledge and hypothecation?
So, pledge is both are with respect to movable property. Uh, Pledge is a bailment of goods and possession of the goods is delivered in case of pledge, whereas in hypothecation the possession is not delivered.
But you are using vague words, you know. Possession is given to the creditor. You must use
Right,
technical
right.
words. Possession is
Yes,
given to the banker. In the case of
pledgee,
hypothecation, possession continues with the customer.
customer.
Like that,
All right.
आपने clearly बात करना है. You have to
Oh,
practice. अच्छा, आपने कोर्ट में डिस्कस किया cases? How many hours you would have spent?
mostly I did not appear as such, but I have drafted and assisted in the matters mostly.
So that
So
is the problem. It is
yes,
exhibited by you are struggling here. You must treat me as a judge and you must try to talk to me, trying to enforce your points.
right.
Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
sorry for telling negative points. At the
No,
same
I
time,
understand that. I yes.
yeah, this is a very important point. See, these are the questions they are asking. What is the minimum
I
fees and maximum fees for DRT?
okay.
Tell me. You don't know?
Uh, Court fees.
Ah,
Uh,
DRT fees.
I have read about 12,000 up to 10 lakh, and then thereafter, for every 1 lakh, in addition, they charge 1,000 more,
Whatever it
up
is.
to a limit of one
Here
lakh
in the
50,000
material given by me, it is given. It is 12,000 minimum, maximum 1 lakh
minimum, 1
50,000.
lakh 50,000. Right.
Yeah, good. If we have served a legal notice under section 13(2) of to the customer, and he has gone to DRT and filed a SA application, is it in time? So they are asking such questions like this.
Oh,
Next question.
so
Yeah,
after serving of notice.
mm,
Okay. Are you
no,
enlisting
no,
question? Oh,
no. Okay, can you answer this question?
yes. After serving within 60 days, the borrower has to uh, file a reply. I mean, a reply the bank about why the notice has not to be. I mean, it is not legal. And
Okay, thank you,
before that,
thank
he
you.
cannot. Yes,
So,
sir.
sorry, tell me who is a willful defaulter?
One who has who can make payment, but despite of that, he does not make make payments to the bank. That is a willful defaulter.
What are the assets of the bank?
Loans are assets, um,
Mm,
and liquid cash or
mm,
other liquid
correct. Good. Apart
assets.
from that, fixed assets?
Securities.
No. Securities are
Okay.
not your assets. Securities, I mean, securities the bank has bought are your assets. Like fixed assets, we mean the land and
Fixed asset,
building
the
machinery.
land, yes, machinery, yes, sir.
Who issues Lok Adalat notice?
State Legal Services Authority.
Acha. Have you had experience with the Lok Adalat?
No, sir.
Who is the
Uh,
RBI
uh, uh,
governor at present?
Shakti Kanta Das, sir.
Okay. Then can you tell me what is a bad bank?
A bad bank is a asset reconstruction company, I believe.
Good, not bad.
Which
Then can you tell me something about stock markets?
stock markets are secondary markets which are uh, regulated by SEBI, and where trading of securities and other commodities happen.
Mhm. What is the jurisdiction of district and sessions judge?
Um,
Speak about Specific Relief Act Section 31.
no, sir, I don't recollect right now.
Where to file it? All these questions I have given. I am not
Okay,
asking anything new from this. In fact, I have served in legal department itself as a clerical staff for more than 3 years, engaged in drafting, say, plaint, wakalats and all that. That was only my knowledge. I have not studied law. But
okay, sir.
the one reason I developed more taste and interest in this is one Miss Parimala from Delhi. She only sent me the list of questions and all that. She only told these are the acts in which you must be familiar to succeed in legal interview. So that is why I am more into it. More than 50, 60 candidates have got into banks through me. But you have to believe me, you have to prepare for all these things. Without that, it is not possible. Many of these questions I may not know the answer, but these are the questions that are being asked in your interviews. So today is only 29. So
Yes,
your interview is on 3rd in Mumbai. Where do you stay? You
yes,
are
sir.
also in Mumbai.
Yes, sir, yes.
So no problem in traveling. So can you take
Yeah,
another interview at on 1st of July?
yes, sir, I will.
Would you like to take it? Will you be going to court and all?
No, sir, no,
Court
I will.
court तो अभी छुट्टी है ना?
नहीं है, sir, but I don't have any matters that day.
So what time would you like to come? Say like this, or say somewhere around Subah. I am very free. In the sense, it will be night time for me here. I will talk to you
Okay,
little more leisurely. So is it okay for
okay.
you to come at 7 o'clock in the morning?
On 1st of July, all right, sir.
Yeah. आप उठेंगे? Can you get up? एक दिन अगर ही जल्दी चला जाओ to sleep, and then alarm रख के आपने जल्दी please get up and come for interview, so that I am not, I
Yes,
want, you deserve to be talked for minimum 1 hour, but मेरा पास उतना
y-
समय नहीं है, because
yes, sir, I understand.
probably is this the first time you are appearing for bank interviews?
Yes, in a way, yeah.
In a way. अच्छा पहले क्या किया?
And I meant I had appeared in one interview, like that was, but right after my graduation, I could
In
not clear
bank
it.
IBPS? Was it
IBPS
IBPS?
SO, IBPS SO, yes.
What are the questions they asked then? Do you remember now? भूल गया.
Yes, they had asked. No, no, no. I remember clearly. They had asked
बोलिए.
about the company. They had asked about banking trends that year. What are the
Hmm,
trends going on in
hmm,
banking sector?
hmm,
Then they asked about a registered office of companies, where
hmm.
like that about that. Then also about
Any,
foreign company.
hmm.
Yes.
Anyhow, Um, Best wishes. We will meet again.
Yes, sir. I'll be better prepared.
I'm sorry to have given a not so
For,
positive experience for you.